Hello, you beautiful people. I hope you had a great weekend. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite pizza pasta sauce recipe. You won't believe how easy it is to make pizza pasta sauce with just a few ingredients. This is one of the simplest Italian sauces that can be used in a variety of dishes. To make the perfect pizza pasta sauce, we need these beautiful red fresh tomatoes. I'm using 1 kg tomatoes for this recipe. We need to remove this part close to the stem. It's not all the way ripened and sometimes it's a little harder. So we're going to start by taking 1 tomato at a time, and we want to make a cross in the skin like this. You can see that. We are going to continue with the rest of the tomatoes. This makes it easier to peel off the skins once you blanch them. Now we are going to add the tomatoes to boiling water and boil them for 3 to 4 minutes. This will help the skin pull right off once you blanch them. It's been around 3 to 4 minutes and I'm going to switch off the flame. I'm going to remove the tomatoes from the water. Now I'm going to transfer the tomatoes to a bowl of ice cold water to stop the cooking process. Allow them to cool down completely before peeling off the skins. So if you guys are new to the channel, then welcome and thank you for stopping by. Okay, now that the tomatoes have begun cooling down, you can see it is so easy to remove the skins. It doesn't take too much time for the skin to come out. This is the reason why we blanch them, so that the skin can come out effortlessly. I have finished peeling off the skins of all the tomatoes. Now the question is to remove the seeds or not to remove the seeds. Removing the seeds can be time consuming, but leaving them in is a faster option. I personally like to de-seed the tomatoes before using them into the sauce. I have finished de-seeding all the tomatoes. We will coarsely blend these tomatoes with a hand blender or a hand chopper. The consistency is slightly chunky, like that of a semi-coarse or semi-fine puree. This is the base of our sauce. We also need 2 medium-sized finely chopped onion, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 tablespoons good quality tomato ketchup, some fresh basil, olive oil. Traditionally, this sauce is made using olive oil. It is so important to use this beautiful fresh basil. We will put it right at the end. In addition to this, we will need 1 teaspoon red chili powder for that nice vibrant color, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon oregano and salt to taste. Now we are ready to get cooking. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. We'll add our finely chopped garlic. Garlic is my favorite thing to add to recipes. It's been 30 seconds and the garlic has started releasing its beautiful flavors. Add chopped onion and cook until slightly softened. We do not want the onion to turn brown. The onion have to be nice and translucent. This is what we want to achieve from the onion. Now we'll season it with salt and stir it a bit more. We'll add a gorgeous red tomato pulp to this mixture. Keep mixing it until all the ingredients are well combined. Slow cooking and reducing the sauce draws in all the flavors of the fresh tomatoes, making the sauce thick and very flavorful. This sauce has become one of my absolute favorite sauces, and I'm sure it will become one of yours too. We're going to add black pepper, oregano, and red chili and give it a good stir. Made with fresh red tomatoes and basil, without any preservatives, this recipe is simply perfect. This sauce is so much better than the stuff that you buy at the shop. Cover and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes on low to medium low heat, stirring and checking occasionally. Hope you are enjoying watching this recipe. Please take the time to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'm adding good quality ketchup for that nice tangy flavor. Stir and cook for another 5 minutes until finally we get this beautiful consistency. Now we are going to add our fresh basil. This is a multi-purpose sauce. It can be used as a mix for red pasta, a spread for pizza, pizza crackers, savory waffles, pizza pockets, and much more. I'm sharing the links of the recipes I've made using this sauce. You can tear the leaves by hand for a more rustic texture. We want the basil to release all the flavors. Basil leaves enhances the flavor of the sauce. This sauce smells delicious and it has so much flavor. Check the seasonings and add more salt or herbs if needed. My sauce is all done. We'll switch off the flame. Now we will cover the pan and let it cool for a few hours. Store the sauce in clean sterilized glass jar when cooled to room temperature and refrigerate. Thanks for watching this episode. I will see you soon. Stay safe and take care.